My basement flooded.
I'ma get it back, I'ma get it back. I'ma get it back, I'ma get it back. Show me where she's at, tell me where she's at. Tell me where she's at, tell me where she's at. I'ma get it back, I'ma get it back. I'ma get it back, I'ma get it back. Show me where she's at.
Me and my dad, we figured out where the flooding is happening outside. And I don't really know how to explain it, so I think I'm just going to show it while I talk about it. It looks like this, okay? So we added a tarp to get the water to flow down there, where it should be. Then where the actual problem is, we added sandbags to stop it from getting into the hole. And if it floods here, we got this water pump that uses like magic or something. It's going to like move the water all the way over there. So, I don't want to say it's a good plan, but I think it's a great plan, and I think we solved the problem. Here we go. Just got an egg. We got some tacos for Taco Tuesday. Let's do this.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow.
Yeah, I lost that game. Post-food vlog, boys. Yep. 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 Yep.